Hi guys, we are from Makeitt and we are a startup for the nation young generation empowerment, and today this is my second video on Vedic Math, which will make the math easy. For most of the students, math is a nightmare. They will be having a lot of phobia on math, and we have to remember a lot of formula, and we have to do it very steps. A lot of steps are required for solving it, and the pitiest thing is many of the people or many of the students are by-hearting it, which is not at all advisable. Math should be enjoyed. Math should be learnt in such a way that we have to do it very comfortably, or in the mind itself we should be in a position to do that, and the student should be given some sort of awareness or confidence, and Vedic Math is one such that will give tons of confidence and a lot of ease in dealing with math. Let's dive into the second lecture or session on this math, and already I have explained these benefits in one of my previous videos, and check with that if you would like to have or read them. It's that they are not that much difficult. They are very quite straightforward. Just have a look into these guys. And this session is meant for subtraction, and subtraction is here I have taken something called the relevance of base. Let me take the highlighter. Here I have taken these base as powers of 10, like 10 to the power of 0, 10 to the power of 1, 10 square, 10 cube, and so on and so forth. And if I am going to subtract a number or any number that is near to 1000, let me say, if I have to subtract 789 from 1000, the legacy way is I have to write this 7, 8, 9 here, and I have to borrow something from 1 such that this will become 9, 9 and 9, and from 9 I will be subtracting 9 here, and from 9 I will be subtracting 8 here. Likewise I am going to do it, right? Why, rather than writing why I am doing this, means you should visualize. Visualization of the things is really important. If there is any concept or any problem, you should be in a position to see that, to visualize what are the things that are happening, such that will give you a lot of creativity. In fact, if you go on habituating that kind of visualization of the concepts or the problems or anything that has happened or that we have learned, which will give you the basic intuition or the stuff required for elevating the creativity. Trust me guys, each and every person will be having some sort of creativity, and creative works are masterpieces in the world, like a shot from Sachin, or Tiger Woods playing golf, or Rohit Sharma hitting a six, or Dhoni helicopter shot, or some of the things. I have touched some of the creative works from in cricket, or even you can take the Einstein. The works are almost creative. Almost he had done some thought experiments. That is the greatness of him. And coming to this, it's very simple. As I have to subtract 789, I have taken something like 9, 9 and 10. Now directly subtract it. 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 8 is 1, and 10 minus 9 is 1. Check these guys, and there is a simple rule for it. It's something like all from 9 and the last one from 10. What is the meaning of it? All the digits, we have to subtract them from 9, and the last one should be subtracted from 10. Thereby I got this result. Let me take another example, that I have to subtract 93 from 100. How it could be done? It is also very simple. First write 9 and 10 and subtract it. 9 minus 9 is 0, and 10 minus 3 is 7. It's quite straightforward guys. And coming to this, I have to subtract 7228 from 10,000. The same formula. What is that? Subtract all from 9 and the last one from 10. The same I have applied here. 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 2 is 7, and 9 minus 2 is 7, and 10 minus 8 is 2. This is the answer. And coming to the next one, subtract 10804 from 1 lakh. I have taken 9, 9, 9, 9, 10. I have to subtract all from 9 except the last one, because the last one should be subtracted from 10. And I have written 10804. 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 0 is 9. And 10 minus 4 is 6. This is the answer. You can check these, guys. If you have anything, yeah, just try to open a calculator and do it, or take a piece of paper and pen, and you can work it on your own. You can cross check with this Vedic math how it is making the things simple to us. And there is one more thing called subtract 87 from 600. Yeah, if I do the same, yeah, it is 513. And how I got it? This is the one here. As 87 is a smaller, or I can say it is a 2-digit number, and I need to subtract it from 3-digit number. That's what I have to do, right? So what I have to do is, first I have to take this 6 and then deduct 1 from it. So that will become 5. And the later, as usual, what is that? Subtract 8 from 9, which will result in 1, and subtract 7 from 10, that will result in 3. Okay, the same I have mentioned here in terms of steps. It's very easy. In the earlier example, what I have done is, yeah, here it is a 5-digit number and this is a 4-digit number. So I can apply this technique or trick. And here also, this is a 5-digit number and this is a 4-digit number. I can apply this trick, yeah, whenever I am subtracting from powers of 10 especially. Yeah, that should be, that is really important. And here, yeah, they are different numbers. In fact, it is 600 and it is 87. Okay, they are different number. They are not powers of 10. If they are not powers of 10, then I have to deal them with in a different fashion. How come? This is what, as I have to subtract 87 from 600, first I have to reduce 1 from 6, it will result in 5, and subtract 8 from 9, which results in 1, and subtract 7 from 10, which results in 3. That is what I got. Okay, let me tell you one more example so that you will get a better picture of what I have said. Like, I have to subtract 234 from 5000, and 5000 is also not a power of 10. It's a different number. So the technique that I should use is a different one. How it should be? As it is 5, subtract 1 from it. So the first digit is 4, and subtract 2 from 9, it is 7. Subtract 3 from 9, it is 6. Subtract 4 from 10, it is 6. Yeah, from the second digit onwards, it's the same old formula. What is that? Subtract all from 9 except the last one, because the last one should be subtracted from 10. But as it is not a power of 10, the rule is changed slightly. What is that rule? Coming to the first digit, yeah, it is 1 less than the starting digit. That is what we need to remember. If it is a power of 10, as usual, what is that? All from 9 and the last one from 10. If it is not a power of 10, then this is the trick we have to remember. That 5 minus 1 is 4, and 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 3 is 6, and 10 minus 4 is 6. And let's have a look at this. I have to subtract 528 from 5000, right? How it should be done? 5 minus 1 is 4, 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 2 is 7, 10 minus 8 is 2. Just simply, directly, just by having a look at this, I can do it. There is no need to even have this pen and paper for computing it. And the other one is subtract 227 from 9000. Yeah, how it could be done? 9 minus 1 is 8, 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 2 is 7, and 10 minus 7 is 3. It's as simple, right? And the next one, subtract 1, 2, 3, 4 from 70,000. 7 minus 1 is 6, 9 minus 1 is 8, 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 3 is 6, 10 minus 4 is 6. It's as simple as that. And here we have derived two formulae. I am not writing any formula here, just I am trying to tell you the tricks. You just whenever you practice it, yeah, that will become very handy to you. The first technique is whenever it is a power of 10. The second technique is when it is not a power of 10, then how they should be dealt. Hope you understand, guys, what I have said. And coming to the next one, yeah, it is another one that I have to subtract 470 from 1000. Here one thing that I have to observe is, here the number is ending with a 0. Here the number is ending with a 0. So we have to apply, you have to make our technique a little better. Okay, what I have to do is, as a 470 has a 0 at the end, then what I have to do is, it is something like I have to subtract 4 from 9 where I got 5, and I have to subtract 7 from 10, not from 9. Earlier what you have done is, this one has been subtracted from the 9, and here I got a 0. Here I got a 0 actually. As I got a 0 here, the digit in front of this 0 should be subtracted from 10. Thereby the value is 53. Yeah, hope you got what I have said. And then what I have to do is, as I have not considered 0 here, I have to add this 0 now. So the result is 530. Yeah, let me tell this technique once again. Here what I have to do is, I have to subtract a number from 1000 which is ending with a 0. Then what I have to do is, I have considered only the digits which are non-zero. So 47 I have taken the first digit, the old technique. What is that? Subtract it from 9 and subtract the last digit from 10, and I have discarded 0 for the time being, and I got 53, and the 0 that has got discarded should be appended now. If I add that 0 here, it will become 530. This is one more technique that we have to remember. And coming to the next one, yeah, it is a small one. Yeah, here in the previous cases, whatever I am subtracting is just one digit less than the other one. Like 5000 is 4 digits and 234 is 3, and 600 is 3 digits and 87 is 2, and 1 lakh is 5 digit number, okay, 6 digit number, and 10804 is a 5 digit number. Likewise, whatever I am subtracting is just the count of digits is one less than the other. So the techniques, now here I got 53, which is a 2 digit number, which I am trying to subtract it from a 4 digit number, How it could be done? Watch, guys. Add a 0 in front of it, so this has become 053. Why I have added a 0 in front of it? Because the base here is 1000. As the base here is 1000, the number of digits or number of zeros available in this base is 3. So the length of this one should also be 3. So what happened now? I have written 053, that should be subtracted from 9, 9, 10. 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 minus 5 is 4, and 10 minus 3 is 7. Yeah, if this Vedic math is absolutely new to you, you might be facing some sort of difficulty in understanding or remembering or representing the same. But through practicing, through solving n number of problems or ample number of problems, yes, certainly this will make the math absolutely easy. And one more thing, within no time you can tell the answers for even very big additions or some subtractions like this. The only thing is, you need to practice and you need to take a lot of examples for getting the things done. And for explaining the same technique, I have taken another example that I have to subtract a 2-digit number from a 5-digit value. That is, I have to subtract 68 from 10,000. Yeah, what I have done is, I have added 2 zeros in front of 68 because Here the base is 10,000. The number of zeros should be 4. Here the length of the digit should be 4. That's why I have added 2 zeros here. And as usual, subtract 0 from 9, 9. Subtract 0 from 9, 9. And subtract 6 from 9, 3. And subtract 8 from 10, 2. This is what I got. And coming to the other example, that I have to subtract 5432 from 9000. Here the lengths are same, and it is not a power of 10, and here it's a different number and it's a different number. How I am going to deal with it? It's as usual trick. What is that? Subtract all from 9 and the last one from 10. 9 minus 5 is 3. Okay. Here I need to apply. In the earlier case, this one is one digit count less than the other one, but here they are same, right? It is of 4 digits and it is also of 4 digits. Now what I should do is, this is something like 9 minus 5 minus 1. It will become 9 minus 5 is 4 and 4 minus 1 is 3. This is one trick what I need to follow. 9 minus 5 minus 1 will give my first digit, and the remaining as usual. 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 3 is 6, and 10 minus 2 is 8. It is as usual, and it's all I need to observe whether it is a power of 10, what I should do, whether the lengths are same, what I should do, whether this length is one digit smaller than the other one, then what I should do. Whenever it is 2 digits smaller than the other one, what I should do, how they should be dealt. This is all we have to keep in our mind, and that will become very handy or registered in our brains through practicing. Trust me guys, do or solve as many number of problems as you can. This will become absolutely easy for you. And the other one, here also the count of the digits available in both the numbers are same, and I have to subtract 3884 from 7000. What I should do is, it's something like the first digit is 7 minus 3 minus 1. 7 minus 3 is 4, 4 minus 1 is 3, the first digit. 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 8 is 1, and 10 minus 4 is 6. This is the result, whatever I got. And these are some basic math. Subtract 29 from 53. It's a simple thing. What I have to do is, this can be written as something like 53 minus 30 plus 1. And whenever I add, or I will do some calculations from it, it's very simple. 53 minus 30 is 23, because it's a number that is ended with 10, right? It's very handy to subtract from this one. 5 minus 3 is 2, and directly I can take 3 here. It's 23. 23 plus 1 is 24. And even if I take this one, subtract 18 from 45, it's very simple. I can write something like 45 minus 20 plus 2. I can write something like this. And 45 minus 20 is 25. 25 plus 2 is 27. This is one more way of handling with the things, and this is all about this particular session guys. And hope you got what I have said regarding this subtraction using Vedic Math. Okay, and have a good day. That's all for the session. Good day.